Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba just 9 days ago, to be precise on April 22nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $135.38. And at this point my main assumption was that we have to see deeper retracement, we have to land somewhere around $130 mark, and then we might have a reaction. And if it breaks these previous swing highs of about $143 to $144, we might land at the level of around $160 mark. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Alibaba, and I made my previous video when the price was somewhere at this point. And since I made it, guys, take a look right here. This asset retested this level of $130 exactly as I predicted, and for now it is hovering right above this level. So, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And by the way, on my previous video I told you that this asset should retest $134, and I made my video before my previous video when this asset was somewhere at this point. And as you can see, I drew this line, and this asset hit this price point to the tick, and this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what should we expect next and how we can benefit out of the price action of Alibaba. And first of all, guys, take a look at the general sentiment related to Baba stock. And to do so, just type in Google search bar Baba stock and switch to new stock folder. And to be honest, there is not so many news directly related to Alibaba and its upcoming, well, catalysts and potential movements. The only news that is quite interesting, well, is this one, and it was published just a couple of days ago on Yahoo Finance. And to be honest, the only part of this news that might grab your attention in this one. Investors should also pay attention to any latest changes in analyst estimates for Alibaba, such as recent modifications usually signify the changing landscape of near-term business trends. Hence, positive alternations in estimates signify analyst optimism regarding the business and profitability. And guys, if we take a look at the forecast from analytic firms, we can find it right here. You can see that among 41 analysts we have, wait a second, let's get back to the chart and turn on again this forecast. Among 41 analysts who projected their price targets for Alibaba, the consensus analyst price target is set at the level of $188.61, which implies more than 43% of upside potential. And the lowest price target is set at $151, which is still more than 15% of upside potential. That is why, guys, in the medium term and in the long term perspective, Alibaba might hit higher targets, but in the short term perspective, we are not out of the woods. And let me explain you what I'm talking about. Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that in general, if we zoom out to, let's say, daily time frame, you can see, let me show you like this, you can see that this asset had a substantial decline in its price, and we have a first higher lows and potentially higher highs. If this pattern holds, we might see, as I mentioned in my previous video, this, this type of movement that I drew as this purple blueprint. And if it happens, guys, the price target for Alibaba will be around $160. Let's delete this scale. I don't need it anymore. And I have to admit that if I pull a FIBA retracement tool from this swing high to this lowest point, guys, take a look right here. We might have a reaction out of 156.65 to $158.67. This is the golden pocket range, and potentially this is the highest probability, the level with the highest probability to see the trend reversal. Which means, guys, well, this asset might have this movement to the upside, but with the lack of news, we cannot anticipate it in the near-term perspective. On top of that, if we take a look at the broader sentiment of the market, if we take a look at SPY index, wait a second, here it is, we are at the very high level of we are at a very overbought condition. Let's delete all the tools. I made an analysis for my Patreon members. We are at a very overbought condition for this asset, and if we switch to 12 hours time frame, we can see even a bearish divergence, which means the likelihood of the next potential leg to the downside is much higher than the probability to see a next leg to the upside. And that is why, guys, if the broader market goes lower, all the stocks might also be in a downtrend. That is why, guys, Alibaba might see another potential leg to the downside that can break even the lowest point of $117. It is not well, it is not set in stone. We have just a game of probabilities for different outcomes. And wait a second, I want to do it like this. And if some bearish news hit the market and SPY index and broader market goes lower, definitely Alibaba will follow the market. That is why, guys, be cautious with any of your position on Alibaba. Wait for more confirmation, and the pure confirmation will be definitely break out above this level of $143.4, because in this case we will be in at least ABC correction to the upside that should have this type of structure, this potential type of structure with the one-to-one extension, and again it can be the price target of roughly $158. Otherwise, guys, if we already have this as our ABC to the upside, unfortunately in this case we might see another 5 legs to the downside, and we already formed a couple of them. But in this case, the next week will be crucial for this asset, and it might break $117. So for now, I don't have clear path for this asset, and well, the downside potential, if you want to enter your long position right here, is just 3%, and the upside potential is about 19%. Decent risk to reward ratio, but guys, please do not left your position without strict stop loss orders, because in this case the downside potential might be much higher than the upside potential, and you can lose your money in this case. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back. that. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap, only God wants you.